What is a heap in programming?
A heap is a special kind of binary tree used to organize data efficiently. In a heap, each parent node follows a specific rule. In a max heap, every parent is greater than its children. In a min heap, every parent is smaller. Heaps help quickly access the largest or smallest element, making them ideal for solving specific coding problems.
Understanding priority queues.
A priority queue is a data structure that manages items based on priority, not order of insertion. Unlike a regular queue, where items are removed in the order they enter, a priority queue always removes the item with the highest or lowest priority first. This unique behavior is achieved using heaps.
How heaps power priority queues.
Heaps are the backbone of efficient priority queues. When you insert an item, the heap organizes it so that the highest or lowest priority is always at the top. Removing or finding the most important item takes minimal time. This makes heaps perfect for tasks where you need fast access to extreme values.
Common uses for heaps and priority queues.
Heaps and priority queues shine in real software problems. They're used in scheduling tasks, like handling printer jobs by urgency. They're crucial in algorithms such as Dijkstra's shortest path, and even in managing data, like leaderboards or event simulations. Whenever priorities matter, heaps likely play a part.
Key benefits and takeaways.
What's called this about priority queues both fast and efficient. With their smart structure, priority operations like insertion and removal stay quick, even with lots of data. Understanding how heaps work can help you solve many real-world programming challenges more effectively and write smarter code.